Hi there, math superstars. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing, the incredible, the 5 times table. Get ready to show off your skills, have some fun, and become a math whiz in no time. Let's jump right into it. Question 1. What is 5 times 6? Is it A, 31, B, 30, or C, 29? The answer is B, 30. Well done, superstar. Question 2. What is 5 times 2? Is it A, 10, B, 9, or C, 11? The answer is A, 10. Nice job. Question 3. What is 5 times 4? Is it A, 21, B, 20, or C, 19? The answer is B, 20. You're on fire. Question 4. What is 5 times 1? Is it A, 6, B, 5, or C, 4? The answer is B, 5. Keep it up. Question 5. What is 5 times 0? Is it A, 2, B, 1, or C, 0? The answer is C, 0. You got it. Question 6. What is 5 times 7? Is it A, 34, B, 35, or C, 33? The answer is B, 35. Great work. Question 7. What is 5 times 10? Is it A, 50, B, 49, or C, 51? The answer is A, 50. Amazing. Question 8. What is 5 times 3? Is it A, 14, B, 15, or C, 16? The answer is B, 15. You're on fire. Question 9. What is 5 times 9? Is it A, 46, B, 44, or C, 45? The answer is C, 45. You're doing great. Question 10. What is 5 times 8? Is it A, 41, B, 40, or C, 42? The answer is B, 40. Keep it going. Question 11. What is 5 times 5? Is it A, 25, B, 24, or C, 26? The answer is A, 25. You're really good at this. Question 12. What is 5 times 2? Is it A, 10, B, 11, or C, 9? The answer is A, 10. Fantastic. Question 13. What is 5 times 6? Is it A, 31, B, 30, or C, 29? The answer is B, 30. Nice job. Question 14. What is 5 times 4? Is it A, 20, B, 21, or C, 19? The answer is A, 20. Excellent work. Question 15. What is 5 times 7? Is it A, 35, B, 33, or C, 34? The answer is A, 35. You're crushing it. Question 16. What is 5 times 0? Is it A, 0, B, 1, or C, 2? The answer is A, 0. Well done. Question 17. What is 5 times 10? Is it A, 51, B, 50, or C, 49? The answer is B, 50. Awesome job. Question 18. What is 5 times 1? Is it A, 4, B, 5, or C, 6? Dex, the answer is B, 5. You're doing amazing. Question 19. What is 5 times 8? Is it A, 40, B, 39, or C, 41? The answer is A, 40. You've got this. Question 20. What is 5 times 9? Is it A, 45, B, 44, or C, 46? The answer is A, 45. You nailed it. Wow, that was awesome. You did a fantastic job with the 5 times table. Keep practicing and you'll be a math superstar in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun math quizzes. Catch you next time, superstars.